Have you ever felt upset because of someone's words? Maybe a colleague criticized you. Maybe a friend ignored your message, or someone cut you off in traffic. Suddenly, your whole day feels ruined. Here's the truth. No one can disturb your peace unless you let them. What if I told you there's a way to never get bothered by anyone again? Let me share a story that could change the way you react forever. A long time ago, in a small town, there lived a man named Ravi. Ravi had a short temper. If his neighbor's dog barked too loud, he would shout. If a coworker made a mistake, he would get furious. Even when his children laughed a little too loudly, he felt irritated. Everyone around him noticed. His sister once asked, "Ravi, why do you let little things ruin your peace?" Ravi frowned. "Because people don't respect me. If they act wrong, how can I stay calm?" He didn't realize it wasn't the world controlling him, it was his own mind. One day, a wise teacher came to the town. He wore simple clothes and moved slowly. He always seemed calm, no matter what happened around him. People said his advice could change anyone's life. Ravi's sister urged him, "Go meet him, maybe he can help you." Ravi laughed. "A teacher? How can he teach me to deal with fools like everyone else?" That afternoon, Ravi lost his temper when a shopkeeper overcharged him. He shouted, he threw his hands up, he walked away, his chest heavy with anger. That night, he could not sleep. The next morning, he went to meet the teacher. The teacher looked at him kindly. "Ravi, tell me, when someone makes you angry, how long does it last?" Ravi thought. "Sometimes an hour, sometimes the whole day. And after it goes away?" Ravi sighed. "I feel tired, empty." "Exactly," said the teacher. "Anger burns the one who holds it, not the one it's aimed at." He picked up a glass of clear water. "See this water? It's calm. If I shake it, you can't see your reflection. That's your mind when you react. It becomes clouded. You can't see clearly." Then he added a spoonful of sand to the water. "This is what happens when you respond with anger. Your mind gets dirty. But if you let the sand settle, the water clears again. Peace comes when you choose not to react." Ravi listened. For the first time, he realized he had been boiling his own peace for years. The next morning, Ravi faced small tests. A coworker insulted him. He felt the anger rising, but he paused. He took a deep breath. He simply smiled. A driver cut him off in traffic. Normally, he would honk, shout, and curse. This time, he just let it go. The first few times, it was hard. His old habits tried to return, but every time he chose calm over reaction, he felt lighter, stronger, more in control. He began repeating the teacher's phrase quietly to himself, "I won't catch the dirt." Weeks passed, and Ravi changed. People tried to provoke him, but he no longer gave them power. He realized something important. You can't control what people say or do, but you can control your reaction. Ravi became known as a calm, peaceful man. When someone upset came to him for advice, he said, "Peace isn't about what happens outside, it's about what's inside. Choose calm, not anger. Every reaction is a choice. Every moment of calm is strength." He smiled at a young boy who asked, "But don't people still try to annoy you?" Ravi said, "Sometimes they try, But when I don't react, their power disappears. I can't control the wind, but I can learn how to sail. We cannot stop people from saying hurtful things. We cannot stop problems from coming, but we can stop giving them the power to steal our peace. Next time someone tries to disturb you, take a breath, smile, whisper quietly, "I won't catch the dirt." True strength is staying calm when the world tries to shake you. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs peace today. Every story here helps you grow stronger, calmer, and better.